Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Food Fantasy. Today I am preparing potato biryani. It's a flavored rice. It's really yummy. Please try it home. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. Take water. I'm taking 3 glasses of rice. Take all spices, biryani spices. Add into the water. So add some coriander leaf, coriander mint and half tablespoon ginger garlic paste and add oil and close the lid. Take 3 potatoes, clean it and peel the skin. So now I'm going to cut the potatoes. So cut into a medium size. Wash with the fresh water and keep it aside. So now water is boiling. So add rice. Add salt. I'm adding 2 tablespoons salt. Take 1 vessel. Add some oil. I'm adding shai jeera, cloves and cinnamon and bay leaf. After sizzling, add 3/4 slice of onion pieces. Just for flavor I'm adding. So add green chili. As per your taste, I'm adding 3/4 chilies. So add potatoes and keep it in medium flame, not too high, not too low. Then add ginger garlic half tablespoon. Add salt. Mix well. Check the rice. So rice is half boiled. So strain the water and keep it aside. Look at the rice. Now close the lid and leave it. Potato color is little bit changed. You can see little bit fried. So we need little bit more. Keep mixing. After 5 minutes, you can add spices. I'm adding garam masala half tablespoon, pinch of haldi, turmeric, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder and half tablespoon pepper powder. Mix well. If you want, you can add biryani masala, but I'm not adding. Look at the potato, it's super delicious. So now check the potato. Potato is nicely cooked. So turn off the flame, keep it aside. Add some coriander and mint. Add some lemon. Mix well and keep it aside. Take 1 tawa, roti pan. Take cooking vessel 1 more Add 1 tablespoon oil or ghee on the bottom first. Then we're gonna add rice. Add 1 layer of rice. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon potatoes. Then add coriander, mint and some fried onions. Then repeat the same thing. After adding everything, add 1 tablespoon ghee on the top. Now add food color 1 tablespoon and kevda water. If you have rose water, you can add half tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Close the lid for 15 minutes in medium flame. Look at the rice. Looks so delicious. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Share with your friends and family. Best combination with tomato salad, any masala curry. Enjoy with family and friends. Keep supporting me and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you again in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.